Greetings, EarnPark community. My name is Vera, and I will be your host for today. Welcome to another exciting community call where we gather to share, connect, and delve into the latest developments at EarnPark. We'll be exploring recent updates, discussing achievements, and diving into emerging strategies and trends that shape the future of our platform. Your active participation is key to the success of our community, so let's make this session engaging and insightful. Whether you're a longtime member or a newcomer, your presence enriches our discussions. For new members, make sure to check out the giveaway channel. There are monthly giveaways for FM members of the community. Joining me today is David, our product manager. Hi, David. How has the past month been for EarnPark? Any results you could share with us?
We received $160,000 in deposit as a total amount, and the top coins are USDT with LP strategy, Bitcoin with Algo Trend strategy, and Solana with market making strategy. And for this period of time, we paid $12,000 in rewards for our clients. So these are key metrics for this month.
Okay, David, thank you. Sounds very impressive, about $12,000 in rewards.
Yeah.
So now let's talk platform. What has been done to improve the user experience?
We successfully added some new features, but this time I think the main team, some of the resources were utilized for making personal manager account for investment manager. But still, we made some product improvements. We added new feature to show and hide user balance. So if now people in some public places, they can hide their balance so nobody can see what amount of assets they have. We improved also the strategy capacity indicators like TVL, soft cap, and hard cap. Increased display accuracy, so now you can see exactly which amount now deposited in the strategy. We also added transfer filter for transaction history in the transaction history list, and improved some this transfer page. So now users couldn't, like, there is no mistakes when choosing the strategy for transfers, and it's more well for user experience now. We also added German language, so now we support 5 European languages already, and maybe we'll add some new languages from other area. We also made integration with Binance Exchange to provide quick deposits and withdrawals in any network, but it's still in the testing process. We added some soft capacity banners in the strategy page, so now users can see each strategy now in the pause or it's running already. And we fixed some bugs in the calculator, in displaying the maximum amount for withdrawals. Also, we improved the speed of loading the main page of the platform and the calculator page. So yeah, I think these were the key product improvements for last 2 months.
Okay, David, that sounds very impressive. That's a lot that has been done in the last 2 months.
Yeah.
Now, let's take some time to discuss the Algo Trend strategies. What are the conditions for the strategies and how popular are they?
The conditions risk level is high because it's not delta neutral strategy, and it highly depends on trend, and some months could be with negative APY, so it's better for long-term investments. Strategy supports monthly withdrawals and monthly payouts, and its APY for Bitcoin is 14%, and for USDT 23%. And some words about algorithmic strategy. Yeah, Algo Trend is algorithmic trading strategy, fully automated. And the basic logic is based on entering and exiting position using the cascade method when the price of an asset breaks through a specific range. And yeah, so it's a strategy with high APY, but also with high risk because it's depends on the trend of the market.
Okay, David, thank you for explaining the strategy. The strategy is available at app.earnpark.com, so make sure to check out the risks and the conditions before investing in it. Okay, let's talk about the market making strategies. Market making. The withdrawal schedule for them is changing. Starting February, could you please explain the reason behind it?
Yeah, sure. Yes, current plan is to upgrade withdrawal to monthly from February. But we expect that we can return them to weekly very soon. Now the manager's personal account system is in process of being updated, and without it, we may incur some losses when processing withdrawals frequently. So we're waiting a little bit of this update will finish, and after that we can return them to the weekly withdrawals for these market making strategies.
Okay, David, thank you. That sounds like a plan. I mean, it's better to be safe than sorry.
Yeah, I agree.
Okay, let's move on to the future. Are there any new strategies coming to EarnPark?
Yeah, we have few strategies. I think they will be added to the platform very soon. We now already finished testing of new strategy for USDT. It's called arbitrage, and its yield generation mechanic is based on the like earning percent with the difference of the coin M futures and the price of the asset. So it's based on the coin M futures on centralized exchange. We already decided about the APY. It would be around 15% with a low risk strategy and with the daily withdrawals and daily payouts. Also, we have a strategy for our new assets, Avalanche. It will be liquidity providing strategy with 7.5% APY. We will provide liquidity for Trader Joe liquidity pool. Yeah, it's one of the biggest DeFi platform on Avalanche network. We are thinking about adding new strategy for Solana. Could be LP liquidity providing or staking with around 8% APY or more. And the new strategy for main will be added also. It will be not exactly for main coin, but for the liquidity providing token for providing liquidity on PancakeSwap in the pair of main and BNB. So users would be able to add these LP tokens. So if they are now already earning some rewards with providing liquidity on PancakeSwap, they could have some extra rewards depositing these LP tokens to EarnPark and earn around 30% APY more. Yeah, this 4 new strategy I think are the key for adding in the near future, maybe next few weeks.
Yeah, that sounds very interesting. It sounds like every available DeFi strategy in this space will soon be available at EarnPark at some point.
Yeah, we are trying to add as more assets as we can, but the process of testing, searching, and finding some solution to hedge strategy risk, it could be a long time, have some long time. So yeah, we're always improving this process.
Okay, thank you. We will wait patiently for that. Okay, we discussed new strategies. We discussed what has been done before. Now let's talk about what is being done right now to improve EarnPark for users.
You mean what we are currently building, making with the team?
Yes.
Oh,
Yes.
yeah. We are currently working on adding the sorting function to portfolio table, so users will be able to sort strategies uh, by APY and risk level. I think it will improve user experience, and they could find a better strategy for themselves more quickly. And we are in the process to add and support new networks for Ethereum strategy. We are planning to add Base and Optimism networks, so a user could withdraw funds with this strategy with new networks and pay less commissions for transaction.
Okay, less commission sounds very good. Now,
Yeah,
let's talk about the swap. The last call we discussed that the swap is planned for the first quarter. So how is it going? When is it coming?
yeah, it's already a long time we are planning to add this function, but we are still clarifying the implementation of swap from various points of view. We're clarifying with the lawyers about the need to obtain an additional license to conduct such operations for clients, and we choose the service through which we will do it, uh, choosing between centralized exchange, DeFi bridge, or decentralized exchange or aggregators. We want to make the service as simple as possible for clients so that they do not have to create a new account for swap. Yeah, and the current plan will be, according to current plan, swap function could be implemented in the first quarter of current year, but the plan may change if we receive new input from the legal team.
Okay, thank you. Let's just hope for the best and that we can implement the swap feature in the first quarter. Sorry. Now let's talk about the future plans. What is coming? What is in plans? Please tell us.
Yeah, we have some new features uh, added recently to our roadmap, according to our customer research and market research. Now we are making design for our onboarding and planning feature. Uh, it should be designed for our customers so they could uh, like understand better their risk profile and see strategies which platform recommends for them and make a quick plan according to their investment goals. So users could like add desired amount of money he want to earn monthly or desired amount of capital he want to reach, and the platform uh, will give to clients some uh, a more fastest way to achieve these goals according to their risk profiles and other things about clients. Also, we have planned to add feature of buying coins using a bank card with integration of some services like MoonPay or Mercurio. We want to add the DCA strategy. So it's a dollar cost averaging strategy when you invest in some assets every some period of time by some portion. So we want to use this type of strategy in our platform so user could invest, for example, in Bitcoin like every week for $50 or $100 and reducing the risk of price volatility. Yeah, and we also want to add tax report feature to transfer data to the tax office for our client. I think it could be done in also in next quarter maybe.
Okay, David, thank you. Is that all for the future plans for now?
I think these are the key features we're planning now. Yeah.
Okay, sounds exciting. I'm very excited about the DCA strategy myself. Okay,
Okay.
then that's it today. So, thank you everyone. Thank you, EarnPark community, for joining us on this enlightening community call. Our collective efforts make our community stronger and more vibrant. And as we wrap up today's session, I encourage you to take a moment to reflect on the updates and strategies we've explored together. So, keep the conversations going in the Discord channels, stay informed about the latest trends, and continue to be active participants in our journey. Your commitment and enthusiasm fuel the growth of EarnPark. So, until our next community call, stay engaged, stay informed, and let's continue building the future together. So, thank you, everyone, and see you in the community channels. Bye bye. Bye, David.
Bye. Bye bye. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Bye.